How to draw Laird the Lobster, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing the nose, right here towards the top center of our page. We're going to draw a shape that has a total of 4 curved lines, all connected to one another. Now for this curved line, it's going to be long and come to a point. It will be the top of the mouth. Then once we come to this point right here, we're going to draw the bottom part by drawing a shape that looks similar to a backwards J. The bottom of this line will curve down. Nicely done, so far that's a great start. Now on the top of the mouth, we're going to draw the teeth with small lines to separate them, going up and down. Now if you're all done, let's continue. For the next step, we're going to draw the eyes of Laird the Lobster, beginning with the right eye. The outline of the eye will look similar to a flat bottom with an oval attached to it. Now for the pupil of the eye, we can just draw a small circle and fill it in completely black. Now let's move over a little bit to the left and draw the second eye, which will be attached to the nose. For the next step, let's go ahead and outline the face by drawing curved lines that will look similar to be an upside down U. It'll connect from the nose, to the eyes, and to the right side of the mouth. So we have a pretty good start on the face. Now we just have to draw the antennas. So let's go ahead and begin on the right side by drawing the first antenna. We're going to draw a small shape from the bottom, which will look similar to a small oval, with a long antenna coming out of it. The antenna will come to a point and it will look similar to a backwards L. Great job, now let's do the exact same thing just one more time. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. And keep in mind that if you're enjoying today's video, then be sure to give it a big like so that we can continue to grow together. So now we're all done drawing the face. For the next step, we're going to draw the lower portion of the body, beginning with the chest. So let's go ahead and draw a curved line connected to the left point on the left side of the face. Now from the end point of where we just finished, we're going to draw 2 more curved lines, one connected to the other. This will help us make the outline of the torso. Nice! Now to draw the waistline, we're going to draw a line going across from that point of where we just stopped. We're not going to draw the right side of the body just yet. We'll come back to that a little bit later on in today's video, but right now we're going to draw a curved line on the left shoulder to help separate the colors. So now on the left hand side of the page, we're going to draw the crab claws of Laird the Lobster by beginning with the pinchers. The pinchers will have a smooth outside with a rough and bumpy inside. That will make it appear as if they are sharp. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you have a moment or two to catch up. Now on the pinchers, we're going to draw two curved lines, then we'll use two long skinny lines to connect it to the body. Now before we draw the right side of the torso, we're going to move over to the right hand side and draw the right claw as well, similar to what we just did on the left hand side. This claw and pincher will be the same size as what we just drew together. Now on the top of the pincher, we're going to draw two curved lines, similar to what we did on the left hand side. Now we will use two long skinny lines to connect all the way over right beneath the head. Then we'll draw the right side of the body by connecting it to the arm. Now let's go ahead and draw the right side of the body by connecting the right point of the head and the right point of the waistline to the arm that we just drew together. Now let's draw a second curved line around the one that we just drew to make an outline. Now let's add some detail to the chest by drawing pectoral muscles along with curvy lines for abs. Now for the abs, I'm just going to draw three simple curved lines, one above the other. Now connected to the waistline, let's go ahead and draw the bathing suit of Larry the Lobster by drawing two small curved lines to begin on each point of the waist. Now let's go ahead and draw the opening for the first leg on the right hand side and then connect it to the two curved lines that we just drew. Then once we're all done doing that, we'll draw the second opening for the left leg. And don't forget that at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now from each one of the pant leg openings, we're going to draw the legs as well as feet. Keep in mind that the legs of Larry the Lobster will be very skinny, and he will not have on any shoes, so when we color in everything, it will just be one color. Fantastic! Now let's do the same thing for the left hand side. Now on the right side and connected to the bathing suit, we're going to draw the tail of Larry the Lobster. Each of the pieces will be connected to one another. And on the actual bathing suit itself, we can go ahead and draw small flower shapes all over. Now last but not least, on the claws, we're going to draw 3 small circles that will be left white when we color, along with small lines on the arms for detail that will appear as if they are hair. Nicely done. Now let's do the exact same thing on the left hand side. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Larry the Lobster. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe for more comments, like, and share with your friends. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.